How to remove and hang the sash on an Innotech tilt and turn window. When installing an Innotech tilt and turn window, it may be necessary to remove the sash to lessen the weight of the window. You may also need to occasionally remove the sash for maintenance, adjustments, or repairs. To remove and hang the sash on an Innotech tilt and turn window, you'll need the following tools. Before you remove the sash, make sure the interior of the window is facing towards you. The window should be sitting on support blocks and safely leaning against a wall. To begin, partially open the sash. Remove the top hinge by grasping the top and bottom edges of the hinge cover and pulling it towards you. Once the hinge cover is removed, insert the hook end of the assembly key into the bottom of the hinge. One assembly key is supplied with every order. Do not throw away the assembly key after installation. The assembly key may be required in the future for maintenance or repairs. With a gentle tug, pull the assembly key down to release the pin from the hinge. Tilt the sash towards you and lift it off the lower hinge pin. Safely lean the sash against a wall on support blocks on a clean and dry surface. Before you hang the sash back on the frame, make sure there is no dirt in the lower hinge of the sash and the handle on the sash is in the turn position. Safely lift the sash and set it down onto the lower hinge pin of the frame. Carefully tilt the sash towards the frame and align the top of the sash hinge with the slot in the hinge body on the frame. As you tilt the sash into place, the shear arm at the top of the sash may disengage. If this occurs, gently lift the arm upwards and move it parallel to the sash. Then press it down until it clicks into place. Push the upper hinge pin upwards until it clicks into place. The pin should easily click into place. Replace the upper hinge cover and close the sash.